Hey guys, welcome back. This is HXG here with another video. So I have a quick unboxing for you guys. This is the Google Nest Mini. Okay, so I don't know if you guys got this pop-up when you went to YouTube, but if you go to YouTube, you'll get a pop-up typically to say, you know, they're giving this away for free. So I got it for free. Also, if you had Spotify a couple months ago, they was giving these away for free as well. So this works with YouTube Music, obviously, because it's a Google product. Spotify, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Duo. Okay, it works with the lights. You know, if you have those Philips LED lights or the GE lights, and Google Assistant. So, you know, these things are usually always listening to you while you're in your home. So I have a Facebook one like this, you know, the portal. If you guys seen that unboxing, there will be a link somewhere up here for you guys, or it will be at the end of this video, one of the two. You can check that one out. I kind of like the Facebook one because it has a screen to it. I know Google has one like that. Oh man, this is really nice. Look at the presentation. Oh, this looks so cute. Okay, so it has one of these like little hole things, like if you had you could like hook it on the wall like that, slide it onto the wall. I'm assuming this is the charging port. This is to turn it on, the mic on and off, so it doesn't listen to you, but I don't believe that that works. Honestly. Yeah, okay, so that's how it looks. This is the wall brick. Oh, this is nice. All right, Google presentation. All right. Yep, just a regular power cable. What else is in the box? Instruction manuals. No stickers. No Google stickers. Come on, Google. And I think this is just for decoration. All right, so I'm going to set this up and we're going to check it out. Give me a second. Alright, so to set this up, you need to download the Google Home app, okay? So, we have it downloaded. Alright, so once you have it set up with your device, right? With the Google Home, all those steps, right? Then you can start interacting with it, alright? So, I want to know what time it is, right? Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 12:54 p.m.
Right? So let's say I want to know the weather. Hey Google, what's the weather?
Right now in Brooklyn it's 93 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecast.
So basically, Google just told me we about to burst into flames. But that is how you would set up the Google Nest. And I'm going to just give you guys a sound test of how it sounds when it's on low, medium, high. So give me 1 second. Let me go to YouTube. And, right, you're gonna have YouTube Music, okay, not the app. The YouTube Music app, not just YouTube. Let me be clear about that. Gonna click the little TV here, and it's gonna show you the different devices. Dining room speaker. Boom, we're connected. All right. So I'm going to start it. So you can't even hear anything. It's barely audible. So we're gonna turn it up some. I'm gonna say that's like 40%. Hold on. 40% ish, 35, right? Okay. We're at about 50% now. Okay. It's about 80, I would say. And I'm going to put it up to 100 right now. That means it's at max, okay? Okay, so that's how it sounds on, ooh, got the whole camera shaking. That's how it sounds from about 25-30% up, because anything less than 30 or 25% can't barely hear it. Sounds like someone's whispering, like, yeah, like the chick from Pitch Perfect, if you ever seen that movie. All right, so let's go back into the app really quickly so we can show you what it looks like. So you can hook it up to YouTube Music, like I said, Google Play, no default provider. You can do Pandora. I never heard of Deezer. And Spotify. Okay, and then you have other things that you can hook it up to if you wanted to. Okay, so if you go into settings, you can see rooms and devices. Okay, we only have one, it's just the dining room. Okay, and then you can choose videos and photos. So you can click it, you can connect it to Netflix, Hulu, CBS, Sling, Viki, never heard of it, YouTube Kids, Stars, and your Google Photos. I don't know if are you supposed to hear your photos? I don't get how that is helpful. But anyways, it's there. But for these, if you want to listen to your shows while you're cooking or something, you can definitely connect it to a video service. So this also, you can connect it to the radio as well, Sirius XM. Or maybe it's Sirius. Listen, y'all let me know in the comment section down below which one it is, but I think it's Sirius. You can get this for free for 90 days. Oh wow, I might actually connect to that. So if you wanted to listen to radio services provided, and I'm assuming you can do like WLBS or KBS, whatever the heck, you know, iHeartRadio, all that jazz. And then you can also connect it to your shopping list, video calls and voice calls, live TV, and all of that. So you can have all of this stuff in the settings here. Yeah, this is a really dope device. This is actually $50. You may be able to find it used for like $20-$25. I'm gonna leave the Amazon links in the description down below. As always, if you purchase anything from Amazon using my links, that will help the channel, and that helps me get new products and build new PCs for you guys so I can review them and show you what they look like. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. HXG out.